Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're looking at the pros and cons of using Discord web version in 2025. You see, using the Discord web version in 2025 offers you high portability and lower system resource compared to the desktop app, but it comes with limitations. So let's look at them. Let's start with the pros. Now, one of the advantages of using Discord web version is that it gives you portability and accessibility, which means you can access your account from any device with a modern web browser and internet connection. Example, public computers and borrowed laptops, without needing to install any software. 2. Lower resource usage. The web version can be less resource intensive than the desktop application if you already have your browser open, making it a good alternative for users with older or less powerful hardware who experience performance issues with the app. 3. There's no installation required. No installation required. This is ideal for quick access or on systems where you lack the permissions to install new applications. 4. Privacy management. There's a potential for privacy management. You see, running Discord as a web app in a privacy-focused browser can help isolate trackers within the browser's container, which some users consider a more private method of access. Lastly, faster updates. You can always get the latest version without needing to download and install updates manually, as the browser automatically handles this. Now let's look at the cons of using it. 1. Missing key features. You see, the web version of Discord lacks some features which are exclusive to the desktop client. Most notably, the ability to set or change your custom playing status and system-wide push-to-talk keybinds. Let's look at the second one. The second disadvantage is performance inconsistencies. While it can be less resource intensive in some cases, the web version may experience more lag or performance issues, especially with video chat and screen sharing, compared to the potentially more optimized desktop app. 3. Less reliable notifications. You see, users sometimes report inconsistencies or delays with notifications on the web version compared to the desktop or mobile app. Next, limited functionality with other applications. The web version generally has poorer integration with other desktop applications and third-party audio interfaces compared to the dedicated app. Then let's look at the one before the last one. Last but one. So that is browser-specific issues. Yeah, functionality can be affected by browser-specific bugs like settings or extensions. Some users even report issues with full screen live streams in certain browsers. Lastly, general Discord cons. You see, shared cons with the desktop app include a potential learning curve for newcomers. So both the desktop and the web version has this. Privacy concerns because messages and data are stored on Discord servers and not end-to-end encrypted. And some desirable features being locked behind the paid Nitro subscription. So those are the pros and cons of using Discord web version in 2025.